Well, I probably could have printed this a little bit better without even using supports. So it's a caddy for, boy, it is flimsy. This is probably not going to work. This is horrible. So, and what I want is something that I can print, put my drive in it. I don't want it to flex like this. What the hell were they thinking? Oh, anyway. Somebody had good intentions, but this is why I get tired of. I need to learn to design my own stuff. So they have these type. Believe it or not, these things take forever to print. So this would be for 2, but they don't have double holes in it, which is kind of strange. And I think this would be a whole lot easier to print. Okay, so they want you to like put the holes in the bottom and stack the drives probably. What the hell? So anyway, I've printed a couple of things that just have not turned out very well. I do like this one, but I'll have to modify it. So .5 to 3.5 SAS adapter. That's cool. 2.5 to 3.5 adapter. I just like it. Really doesn't need to be this complicated. I just want a little tray that holds 2 drives. And I don't know. I think they're just like making it really complicated. And something that would print, in a reasonable amount of time. So this would be fine right here. I probably could just download this and just put 2 drives inside of it. I don't know. The one thing to consider if you ever do have like a plug-in bay, like I've got one computer that has a plug-in bay, and it does have like caddies, but I mean like you can't center your drive. It has to be like the connector would have to be in the same spot that a 3.5 would be. So some of these, that's why you see some of them are not centered, and they've got them set to the side. What is this one? Okay. And SSD slider for some of these are snap-in. But anyway, I've been having a terrible time printing these damn things. 2.5 to 3.5 adapters. It's a big thing that goes on the side and holds it, I guess. Orange Pie. There's another adapter. The problem with some of these is they're not full length. Super Micro 3.5 HD tray for 2x 2.5s. This one looks maybe a little better. What I want is the tool-less design. Okay, this one's not too bad. A lot of these, just my printer just like really does a terrible job with supports. So yeah, this is how that one would go, which is cool. I don't know what kind of... It's a server. Yep. Server rack. Kind of looks like my computer right here. This one here has these stupid doors on it, but pretty sure you could change this whole thing to whatever you want. So I don't know if that's like really what I want. Let's see. Some other adapters. Tool list. Where was one that said tool list 2. Original Xbox. Oh, yeah. Tool list. Look at this. That's pretty cool. Anyway, I've tried a couple of these, and I'm pretty much going, this is ridiculous. Let's see. We have these ones that are kind of like my one has something really similar to that in it. But if you just make it a little taller, it could hold 2 drives. That's the thing. So let me get into the slicer here. I'm streaming live right now. So this is the one I just tried to print. I would probably print this without supports. I think it would print probably okay, except for like in certain areas. I don't see where it was printing the triangle part at all. No, mine doesn't have that. Oh, right there. Yeah, it printed that part, no problem. So anyway, I think this would print without a support. The thing is, it's too flimsy. So let's clear the build plate and open up this. Oh, I gotta go in here first. Downloads. Extract all. Let's see what we got for images. Alright, this one here should work. Let me see what this other one is. Yeah, that one would work probably also, but I am not going to use that one. Okay. Let's close this out. Downloads. 2.5-inch adapter. Wait, just put it somewhere else. It's like it's not even in the correct order. Yeah. Alright, now I gotta move the damn thing, because my printer is a pain. Alright, I'm gonna put it right here, and then I'm gonna rotate it. Click it here. It's on the short side, it looks like to me. Alright, yeah. How is that gonna do? It'll probably need supports, won't it? Okay. You see, I don't know why people print things the way they do, because I don't want to print this thing like this. I would rather print the area that's missing, okay? Fill it in and have it be normal. All right. Slice it. Let's just see what it does. 1 hour and 50 minutes.